time, then come under your right leg, then your left leg, and then up and back down, and come under the right leg and left leg. Next time down, right, then left, then up and down, up and down. Now under the leg again, third time, right leg, left leg, up and down, and then last time, right leg, left leg, up, down, plane shift it up to the pinwheel, split the time, make it big. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we're gonna turn to the left. Here we go, boom, boom. And now do your asymmetric ones, right side, left side, right side, left side, right side, left side, right, last time right, last time left, back to the regular pinwheel, and chase the sun clockwise. 4, 3, 2, and now this next time come under the left leg with the left poi. 1 and 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come under the left leg with the left poi. Third set. 4 and 3 and 2, and left poi under the left leg. And last set. 4 and 3 and 2, and under the left leg with the left poi, and come down, double stall, and so counterclockwise. 4 and 3 and 2, and we're going to lift the right leg, go under the right leg, come back out, and 4 and 3 and 2, and this next one, lift the right leg again, and 4 and 3 and 2, and lift it up again, and then last set. 4 and 3 and 2, and last one under the right leg. And now I think what we should do is a series of drills because of what you said before. So let's just do one hand only where we're practicing from standing. We could do a hip reel, then under the leg, then 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 a hip reel, then under the leg. And we'll do 5 more. Hip reel, under the leg, 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 and then last one, hip reel, under the leg. Switch hands. Do the right hand overhand. Same thing, 10 of these. Hip reel, under the leg, 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 hip reel, under the leg. 5 more. Under the leg, hip reel, under the leg, hip reel, under the leg, hip reel, under the leg, and then last one, hip reel, under the leg. Now, what we could also do, again, it's like this, where you're alternating. Well, homework for you to try. All you do is, the pattern is actually easier than what we just did, because in the pattern we just did, we did a hip reel, then under the leg with each hand. This is really circle, under the leg, circle, under the leg, circle, under the leg, and then you're alternating with each hand, and one hand is going under the leg while the other hand is circling. So in the past, if you've been doing turns as you go under the leg, like in the Chasing the Sun, right, like this, where you turn to the right side, you probably have turnout, and what you're probably, if I show you from the side, you probably have turnout, and you're probably kicking the leg up and over like that to come back behind. The difference between the butterfly version and that version is, with the butterfly version, I think it looks aesthetically better in general if you're leaning forward rather than curling, and then you're pushing your weight a little bit in front of you, and then you're reaching deeper under your ass, and then instead of lifting and kicking back, you are just doing a side raise like that on each side. So in theory. And then if you want to start it out and you can't do the alternates as quickly as I was doing them, what you start with is okay, 5, 6, 7, one time, come back to butterfly. 5, 6, 7, other side. 5, 6, 7, other side. 5, 6, 7, other side. And then you take out the extra circles in the middle so you can get to alternates.